So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're just going to make a backup of our registry. So you want to click on file, export, and I'm just going to save it to my desktop. You want to just put any name you want. I'm just going to type in registry backup, click on save, and now we backed up the registry. Now for the second step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description. We're going to be downloading Regisoft's free Windows Registry Repair. You want to click on download now, and now we're going to install this. Click on yes. Now it's installing. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Click on next again. And then click on finish. Now we're going to launch it. And now once you're on this, you want to run a full scan. This may take a few minutes to run, so let's just wait for it. And now once you're done with this, you want to click on fix errors. And now it's fixed it. For me, I had 80 errors that were fixed.